Rain tapped the window as Evelyn dusted off her late grandfather's typewriter. She placed a sheet inside, hoping for inspiration. The keys clacked on their own, spelling, "Buried beneath the clock tower." Evelyn's heart raced. Each night the machine revealed more: names, dates, a confession. Following its clues, she uncovered a faded photograph and a gold watch, both linked to a decades-old disappearance. The final message read, "Justice waits in silence." As dawn broke, Evelyn prepared her headline, knowing the truth had finally found its voice through steel keys and ghostly whispers.